So I have a new grease gun to share from CC Tools today. I've shared a lot of CC products in the past. I do really like them. But we're going to try the grease gun. I'm going to show you everything that comes in here and just show you how easy it is to use it. So inside we got our machine. We got 2 batteries. And these are really, really long-lasting batteries. We got our manual. We got a couple gloves. You do get your attachments. You got your hose. What I also really like about this one is that it does have the quick connect and disconnect Zerk attachment. And not all of them do come with this one. I've bought these separately for my other grease guns. These are really nice to have. Let's go ahead, we'll get this together and we'll do a quick demo. Now I get asked sometimes what grease that I usually use on my equipment, and Mystic would be the one that I have been using. It was one of the ones on sale at the time. This one is a red high temp grease, works really well, and the price was pretty decent on it. I buy it by the case. So we'll go ahead and get our grease in here. Don't forget to pop your top. And then personally, I will be using that Zerk attachment because that is my favorite one to use, especially when I am using it on the tractor. All right. This one, it looks like we also have a light on here. So if you're trying to do greasing in the dark or underneath the vehicle and stuff, you got a light that turns on and off. And that did not take very long to primer it or have it ready to use. So we are ready to go now. This one also does have a shoulder strap that you can use and adjust. So you can put this around your shoulder if you like. I guess that could make it a little easier for some. But this attachment will make it easier to put it on here. And now we can just pump our grease in. And it won't take very long to pump it either. Pump it until you see it coming out of the cracks here. Now we got fresh grease. Makes it so much easier to remove this. Go on to the next one. This one should be a little easier to see it. Already see it coming out. And this just makes greasing so much faster and so much easier. And you want to do this at least every 10 hours or so on your tractor. And some recommend every time you use it. This is also designed where you can stick it back in the case. There's these little notches for the hose too, where you don't have to take the hose off. And you can still have everything right here inside the case. And now it's ready to store easily. But if you're looking for a pretty good grease gun, it puts out a decent amount of grease in a pretty quick amount of time. Your batteries are long lasting. You'll be able to use these on a charge for a long time. But this is the CC grease gun. It works really, really well. And I like that it does come with this attachment. Anyway, that's my quick demo. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.